So, my list of duties today was to clean up the garage so that we can have our garage sale tomorrow. My husband's like, you might want to get that cleaned out if we're going to have stuff in there. And my sister-in-law is bringing all of her stuff over tonight so that we're not totally going crazy in the morning. And I need to go hang up signs, but it's supposed to rain. So needless to say, I had to take a shower after I did my live earlier. And so, hi Angie. When I came in to do that, I found a box in my mailbox. So now I have all the lip plumpers plus the original lip Hottie. So now here's all of them. I have all of them. So I brought my shine wipes down so I can wipe in between and make sure I give you all the perfect viewing of these gorgeous things. Hi Jamie. You just got done. I have not like swept the floor or anything, but I got all the stuff moved down. Oh, Todd will have to help me with some of the equipment we've got in there because we've got, okay, I've got, side note, I've got naturally curly hair and Amanda cut this quite short this 2 Wednesdays, or the last 3 weeks I think I've had 3 haircuts, and so it's pokey outy. It's driving me crazy. But I want to put too much stuff in it because, you know. Alright, so I'm back on today because I went to the mailbox and found some hotties in my mailbox. So I want to go through these. I'm going to try and do, I don't know which one to do first. We'll just put them on. Okay, we're going to start with Holly Megan as the first one. Can you see that color? Thank you. I think I finally found the cut. Do you know what I mean? I think we're going to grow out the bangs a little bit, and but for the most part I think, oh thank you. I love it short. I wasn't ready to cut it off yet. Do you know what I mean? Okay, so this is Holly Megan. I'm kind of excited about these, you guys. Okay. I love the lip Hottie because my lips, my bottom lip really in particularly peels if I put lip gloss or if I have certain lip products on. Whether they're Younique or not doesn't matter, just certain ones, but the lip Hottie does not make my lips peel. So as a lip peeler, that's why I got all of these, because I figured if it doesn't, hi Angela, if it doesn't peel, then I need to have them all so that I have a wide variety of, you know, lip stuff. This might be my new favorite. I probably will say that the next 4 times I try something on. Throw me some hearts or some thumbs up if you've tried the lip Hotties. No hearts, no likes, nothing? Nobody's tried a lip Hottie on here. You guys don't know what you're missing. I saw a couple. Okay, good. Oh, love it. Okay, so the color looks very similar to what it does on the package. So this is very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so I'm going to take a shine wipe. And let me just say, I have used a lot. I'm cheap. If you know me, you know I'm cheap. I have bought a lot of different kinds of makeup removing cloths because I'm lazy at nighttime. And none of them ever work as well as these. So anytime that I have white cash, I make sure that I buy some. What color is this one? This is Holly Megan. These were actually named after some Younique presenters last last year. Hey, Maggie. So I'm going to take this off and we're going to do another one. So these all have women's names as the color. Okay. It's okay, Anna. No boogie. They don't taste the greatest, but... Okay, this is Chandelle. Okay, so we're going to do this one. Chandel's next. This is the first time I've even taken them out of the box, you guys, so you guys are seeing them the first time as I am. I heard this is a lot of their favorite. Like, this is the favorite of a lot of people. Hi, Tanya. People are saying this is their favorite nude. Yep. I like this one too. Hi, Sherry. Okay, so this one is Chandelle. Do you like that one? It is very nice. It's a nude. I like that one a lot, actually. Do you like it? That looks good with my eye color today. Did you guys see my live earlier this morning? I put a bright blue liquid eyeliner on it. I love it. And for time purposes, I did not put it back on because I really just wanted to show you this. Okay, let's do Jenna next. Now I've heard this one is a lot. People like this one a lot. So I got all 5 of these. Now I have all 6 lip hotties. So I started with the original, which I've had for quite a while. Hi, Angela. Welcome back. So now I'm going over all the ones that have color in them. And I'm showing you each one of those. And to be honest, I almost think these are less... They have peppermint oil in them, which is what makes your lips tingle and plump a little bit. Hi, Mitzi. I think they have less tingle than the regular lip hottie. Okay, so this is the Jenna, which a lot of people are saying they really, really like as well. I was saying earlier that these are like lip gloss on crack. Because I think, A, my lips don't peel with the lip hotties, and B, who doesn't need a little plump? And then also, they're not sticky. They're glossy and they're nourishing and they're not over the top like sticky, and they don't burn. I mean, that's really good quality in a lip plumper. So that's Jenna. This is the Jenna. Hi, Tara. Good afternoon. Thank you, everybody, for hopping on. Do you like Tara? Tara. Sorry, Jenna. Missy, is it almost cocktail time? I think my husband gets irritated with me when I have cocktails in the afternoon because he's like, it's like 4 o'clock, Sarah. I don't care. I'm on summer break. And he's like, I wish I was on summer break. I'm like, really? I don't think so. Okay, let's do Kesha. I don't know if it's Kesha or Keisha. It's K-E-S-H, so that makes me think it's Kesha, but it may be Keisha. I don't know. Okay, and this one is like the new, it's kind of a red. They say it's red. Yeah, I think you would. I think the ones that are the most subtle are probably the Holly Megan and the Chandelle, and maybe this last one, the Renee Rochelle, which I'll show you last, is less bright too. But this one's more bright. Thank you, Emily. I may have to cut it again. I might be addicted to getting my hair cut. There's not going to be much left if I continue. So I think this one is the brightest of all 5. But even as the brightest one, I don't think it's overly bright. I think my friend Beth said that she does not do bright lips, but she feels very confident in this one. So even though you may not like a bright lip, this might be just enough. And to be honest, I don't even think it's all that red. It's almost corally. What do you think of that one? This is Kesha. Hi, Mary Kay. So this is the Kesha, and then there's one left to show you. And that's the Renee Rochelle. So this is probably the third one that's not overly bright. This is the brightest one, I think, and I still think I'd wear this. Of course, I like bright colors too, so. If you want one, message me. Comment below and I'll send you a message and we'll get you set up with some. Okay. I love the way that makes my... Thank you. I love the way that those take the makeup off, but they taste awful. Not gonna lie. Okay, so this is the last one. This is Renee Rochelle. Okay. This is gonna be one of the pinker ones. But this one has, this one has a little bit of iridescence. This is the only one that has iridescence. So it's gonna have a little shimmer to it. That's pretty. That looks really good with my eyeshadow today. I'm glad I put this on last. What do you think of that one? I like this one. Renee Rochelle. That's a keeper for the rest of the day. Do you like that one? What are your favorite ones? Let's review what they were. I don't know if you remember. We have the Holly Megan, which is more the chocolate brown. I think this one is more of a chocolate brown. Then the Chandelle, which is the nude color that they describe. This one, Jenna, is kind of like a mauve-y purple, but it's not overly dark. Then we have the bright one. The Kesha is kind of like a corally red, maybe. But they're sheer. They're not opaque, so they have some translucentness, so they're not overly like in your face. And then I have the Renee Rochelle on now. What do you think? I love them all. So you can get the original Hottie or one of the colors. Now, you can buy these all in a package, as a bundle, and save a little bit. Or you can get one of them with a cream shadow and an Epic mascara right now for $58. So if you're... Yes, they are. Yes. I love them. Those are... Yes. I foresee myself wearing nothing but these. They're like for the foreseeable future. So, and I thought maybe I would sell off the ones that I didn't like, but there's not one that I didn't like. So I'm not selling any of mine. So if you want some, comment below and I will message you and we can get you some. Okay? Thanks for hopping on again. I appreciate you. Share this video and have a great afternoon.